Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Now, PowerPoint offers several options to enhance or even totally change the way you deliver your presentations. And now you can export a presentation as a video. Now, you'll use the create a video feature, which allows you to save your presentation as a video. Now, to create a video, click the File tab. Then it will take you to the Backstage view. Go to Export, then select Create a Video. Now, from here, you can choose the presentation quality. So you can choose it to be a large file size, medium file size, or small file size. So I'll go with medium. Then you can choose whether you want to use recorded timings and narrations, or make edits there. So as you can see, there's the don't use recording timings and narrations command, and there's the use recorded timings and narrations. But for now, I don't have any recorded timings and narration. That's why this is not highlighted. Then there's the record timings command and preview timings and narrations command. So once you've made your selection, come here and select create video. Now a dialog box will appear, and from here you'll choose where you want to save that video, then give it a name, then click save. As you can see down here, it says it's creating a video. So we'll wait until it's done. And once it's done, you'll go to wherever you save the video and get a preview, watch it later on. So if I minimize this, here it is, the word intro video. I'll double click on it to open. And as you can see, it will come to me as a video.